YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for installing a mast for a Starlink from Pyramid Whips. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. All right, let's jump right into it.
We purchased our mast, extension, and mount through hitchforfun.com. They provide the full kit along with different mounting options and extensions to customize to your needs. Shipping was quick and easy.
Here's what the top portion looks like. It has the same insert as the Starlink, so it'll fit directly into the mast. And we bought one extra extension. Without the extension, it's about 7 foot tall, so the additional piece is an additional 3 feet. Make sure we get up and over everything on our camper. Okay, I was looking at this again. I think it's better to put the bracket this way for a 4-inch bumper, because then this bracket's hanging down and you won't catch your arm on it if you're reaching into your batteries.
The mast was made of powder-coated steel tubes that interlock together with a bolt and wing nut for easy install and takedown. Most importantly, the mast comes with a specific Starlink mount inserted into the tube to prevent cracking and damage under high winds. For our application, we chose the 4-inch bumper pull mount. Make sure to test fit your mast will clear the camper before tightening down. After bolting down your mast, test fit the mast once more. In my case, I was contacting the camper, so I'll need to move it out further for better clearance. Use the provided bolt and wing nut to tighten the masts together. I also use an adjustable crescent wrench to make sure there is no play between the connections.
Wow, I'm really happy with how this Pyramid Whips Starlink mast turned out. Seems to be really sturdy. We'll continue to do some reviews on, see if there's a whole lot of movement, how it works with it up there. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to check that out. Thanks for watching this how-to video. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.